Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose System. And here we've got the reset options, so simply tap on it. And on the third position we've got Reset App Preferences, so simply tap on it. Now your device is telling you that this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default app applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. Simply tap on Reset Apps if you are ready. And that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your DOOGEE X80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.